seriously. It was freaking me out.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Say hi.
Oh, dear.
How's it going?
There's someone on YouTube.
Thomas Bird. She's a lover, isn't she?
Hi. You're a pirate dad now.
Where you put the water?
What?
Hi.
Say hi.
No, I want you to stay there. I'll look at it. She was on my lap for a long time, and then she crawled up to my shoulder and was right by my ear. And I thought, oh, God, she's gonna turn around and
Chico, be good
Hi,
boy.
Skeeter. You said your name.
Chico out for a minute.
Hi, Skeeter. He said his name. He's like,
Hi,
hi, Skeeter.
Skeeter. Pretty bird.
Hi, Skeeter.
Pretty bird.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, Skeeter.
Hi, bird.
Pretty bird. Yeah, you are pretty bird. Yes.
He's going behind your head. He's like, I'm gonna hide from you now.
Pierce his ear, Skeeter. Pierce his ear.
Skeeter won't pierce my ear. He's always like this. Good bird. Really good bird. Hi, pretty bird.
I just remember him saying she wasn't fond of him, and then I thought, oh, jeez,
Hi.
she's gonna like go nuts over something.
You got a good guy.
Oh, thank you.
All right. There you go.
God.
Pretty bird, Skeeter. Pretty bird.
Terrible. Terrible, I tell you.
Hi, Skeeter.
Where did this guy come from?
Hi. Yes. Yeah, good girl.
Oh,
She wants to go anyway. She went right in.
shoved her in the hole. There.
No. She's been out for a while.
You whistling, Skeeter?
Potato chips on my lap.
That's what I said. Potato